Welcome back, winners. On this episode of Winning at Disneyland, I am on a mission. There are only 4 attractions, 3 rides in the park that I've never done. Astro Orbiter, Dumbo, and Nemo. And then I'm also going to go over and do Walt and or Lincoln, whichever is available at the time. But once I do the 3 big O's, Astro, Dumbo, Nemo, I will have ridden every single ride in the park. And that has always been a goal of mine. In addition, I'm going to try to squeeze in whatever I can and take you guys along with me. Main Street vibe check. Busy, not crazy. The park was looking pretty standard on the tip board this morning. So I'm hopeful to squeeze in a couple of big lightning lane attractions. And gonna go back to Galaxy's Edge right now, I think, and eat to get the day started. Single rider. Indy was posted 50, well past the bottles. Using all the switchbacks, that's at least 50 minutes. And pretty steady lightning lane impact going in right now. I could push that up to close to an hour.
Hello, oh my friend, the brakes may be needing a little adjustment.
Whoa.
Thanks. You guys are on your own.
12 minutes. 12 minutes to the Jeep. Wasn't really planning on doing that first, but single rider. Can't pass it up. Updated goal list. The Columbia is running. That might be my priority after lunch. It is just so rarely runs, it seems like these days, but it's running today. And I've never done it. So that just got added to the list. Rise of the Resistance. Switchback 3 completely full. Switchback 4 is up, but empty. I'm guessing they're calling this 70 minutes. 65. Pretty close. Gonna do a little check on the tip board. See Astro at 10, that's good for me. Dumbo at 25, that's totally doable. What is it, Nemo, right? What's Finding Nemo? Derp. 25. Okay. I think we should be good to go with that goal. Pirates only 30. Might be able to squeeze that in. Indy was a bonus. Space Mountain says now. That's interesting. I wonder if that's down. Tiana's at 55. It's not a bad day today, honestly. But yeah, I definitely think we can get our goal of Nemo, Astro, and Dumbo in today for sure. There's the chicken bao buns, fried chicken bao buns from Docking Bay 7. Yum. Yeah, that is fantastic. A little sweet and sour, a little spicy. Has some pickled veg, cucumber, and onion, and cabbage. The chicken is hot, fresh, and crispy. That's really, really good. You know, Tamara and I always split meals when we're in Disneyland because the portions are, on some items, are just too much for one person for lunch. This looks to be just about perfect. Historically speaking, Smuggler's Run has not been my favorite ride in the park. But when you can walk on single rider in 2 minutes, and heck, standby is posted 20 minutes, and I don't see anybody. Oh no, they're posted up there. They're sitting on the glass. But when you can do single rider in like 4 minutes flat, why wouldn't you? 2 minutes. Hard to beat. Like I said, It's not always on my list, but for 2 minutes, what are you going to do? Decision time. Where to next? I think, since I'm back here in that Galaxy's Edge, I'm going to go stand in line for Dumbo. 25 minutes. Whee! Here we go.
Everybody, not just hold your horses, but I mean elephants, until Dumbo comes to a stop. Thank you.
Dumbo in the books. I was going to go around and do Nemo and then Astro, but since the Columbia is up and running, I do not want to run the risk of its stopping operation and me missing it. Therefore, I'm going to go straight there. It is so weird to see it so freaking quiet over here. They had posted just a couple of days ago, Sunday, Monday, that this was scheduled to reopen November 23rd, and then pretty much immediately took that down. So we still do not have an opening date for Big Thunder Mountain, much to Mama's chagrin. This is her favorite ride, and it makes it so unbelievably quiet over here.
Captain speaking. Before we make sail,
Made it.
You should know that we have
And
a
this,
few rules
they just
upon
announced,
this ship.
this is the last
For a
trip
safe
of the day
voyage,
for the Columbia.
There may be no sitting on the outside rail.
So that's
or
a win.
placing
I
young
almost
sailors
missed it.
upon
This,
them.
I was going to go over
And the young
and do
ones must be
Nemo
watched
and
at all
Astro,
times.
and
waters
decided
be
to do this
cold and
just
deep,
on
and
the
our
off
crew
chance that they
cannot
were
swim
closing this up
through.
early. And sure enough,
So
this is the
whosoever
last one of
falls
the day.
overboard is in the
I'm going to do a
galley
quick,
under the
just walk
watchful
around the
eye
whole
of the
deck
crew.
tour.
A sus hijos en las barandillas exteriores. Asegúrense de vigilar
And
a
then I'm
sus
going to go
hijos
downstairs.
y
There's a whole
absténganse de fumar.
Maritime
Gracias.
Museum downstairs. Watch your head. Oh yeah. Scuttlebutt.
All hands, ease the weather braces.
I don't
We
think the
sail a
gimbal
true
like that.
course, south by southwest.
Oh, the captain was doing all right. Oh, here we go.
Ahoy, shipmates! We're just cleared the busy port of New Orleans and worked on the high seas. The galley, captain and crew's quarters are open for your inspection. For the rest of you, we invite you to stay up on deck, feel the wind in your face, and experience the wonders of this land we now know as America. Our fair ship, the Columbia, was one of the first American vessels to explore the Pacific
empty boat.
Northwest. It was in 1792 that this very ship braved the sandbar and discovered a mighty river, which we... So as any curious pirates hiding near the shore will know we are well armed. Those of you round the cannon best be stepping back, way back. For the cannon she be a mite loud, and the gunner's aim be a mite poor. Make ready to fire one!
Folks, this is going to be a bit loud. You may want to cover your ears.
Fire one! Now that should put some fear in them.
Little tiny baby deer. There's a baby deer on the lawn. La 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 la. Homer Simpson. Anyone?
Will be granted safe passage.
Galaxy's Edge spire sticking up back there.
Just ahead, a tribe of Plains Indians has set up camp by the river. Since they have no written right, tribal leaders like that wise shaman on the bluff over there pass down their wisdom and knowledge through stories and song.
Total bonus score to catch that on the last run of the day. Man, I had an inkling in the back of my head that I really needed to get that out of the way while it was available. So heck yeah. Here we go. The penultimate ride. $15 minutes. Timing is coming up Millhouse. Here we go. Ooh, this sucker gets around there. Holy shit. Okay, that's a little. Okay, that's a little. This is much faster than I expected. Ooh, oh God, that is dizzying. Holy camole. Wow. Just gonna do a little up and down action. Okay, this is actually kind of fun. And we'll go down again. Oh, okay, mercy, this is kind of fun. Oh, silliness. That was the next to last ride. Now we were on to Finding Nemo. Now this might be the big one. Monorail, yes. It says 20 minutes. In their defense, it does say 20 minutes from this point.
Let's take it down.
A tremendous volcanic vein.
Whoa.
Steer 40 degrees.
Welcome to the EAC, Minnie Marlin.
And there you have it. The final ride in Disneyland. I have now ridden every single thing in this park. And I am going to hit the Mr. Lincoln or Walt experience on the way out. And I will have done every attraction in the park. Posted 65, pretty standard. Single rider, 2 full lanes. That's 25, 30 minutes in that line. That's 45 minutes. I'm gonna skip that this time. Looks like Walt Disney A Magical Life. It is.
They say that Hollywood is a town built on dreams. When asked to name his greatest reward, Walt's reply was surprisingly humble.
Well, my greatest reward, I think, is that I've been able to build this wonderful organization, and also to have the public appreciate and accept what I've done all these years. That is a great reward. You know, I was stopped one day when the little boy asked, "Do you draw Mickey Mouse?" And I had to admit I do not draw anymore. Well, then you think of all the jokes and ideas. No, I said, I don't do that. Finally, he looked at me and said, "Mr. Disney, just what do you do?" Well, I said, sometimes I think of myself as a little bee. I go from one area of the studio to another and gather pollen and sort of stimulate everybody. But I only hope that we never lose sight of one thing. But it was all started by a mouse.
Like a boat
That makes it official, gang. That is the last attraction in Disneyland that I needed in order to call it complete. Trifecta, as it were. Little Claravel as we exit the park. And gonna head on over to DCA. Time for a little park hopping. The tip board by Mater's had Incredicoaster at 35 minutes. Single rider is 10, maybe 1, 2, 3 rounds. 5, 10, 15 minutes, another 5. So maybe 20 minutes, single rider. I'll give it a time check. Oh, God! Woo! Just a little evening snack, I guess. Angry Dog with flaming hot fries or whatever from over here in DCA. Yeah, it's good. It is spicy, and I got the spicy brown mustard and the little hot fries, think like handicap old school hot fries. Well, good, doesn't crack the kick. Room with a view. And since this is a day of never haves, we're gonna do the Golden Zephyr. A, because it's here. B, because I've never done it. C, because it's actually open. And this will make attraction number 9 for the day. And away we go. Well, that was short and sweet. Just ran the gauntlet of TikTokers and vloggers and photographers and yada yada. I know it makes a heck of a backdrop. I'm going to definitely do a thumbnail with that in the background. I've got about half an hour to kill. Otherwise, I'm just going to be sitting in traffic. Not sure. I'm going to check to see if the Redwood Forest is open. And I may, glutton that I am, just go do Tow Maters. Vloggers and photographers. All like tween girls. I'm gonna go with no on Maters. I don't think so tonight. That's pretty thick. All right, the churro for the walk home. I got it because Mama's a churro purist. This is the coffee and donut churro. It looks like it might be stuffed with something. It's definitely covered with a bunch of stuff. But I'm only going to take like 2 bites. But my microphone is dying, my camera is dying, and I am probably just about to sign off for the evening. Call it a win. Yeah, Daddy can win by himself in Disneyland. 9 attractions. This will be my second snack and a little sit-down lunch. So, hooray! We will see you winners later. For the record, Mama might be right. Stick to the classics. And you can walk with it. That one there was no walking with. It was good, but stick to the classics.